Good morning, students. How are you? I hope all of you will be fine. But I am not fine today. I don't feel well. That is because of fever. So, let's start the topic, that is narration. And we'll talk about sentences. There are 5 types of sentence, as you know: assertive, interrogative, both types you learned how to change the sentence into indirect. You have also learned an imperative sentence to change into indirect. Okay? That the third is fourth. That is exclamatory. But before studying exclamatory sentence, before starting exclamatory sentence, we would like to learn second type of imperative sentence, that is right. So, look at the blackboard. First type, in imperative sentence, when the reported speech starts with "let us." Okay. Then the reporting verb said or said would be changed into suggested, and proposed. In place of inverted commas, you will put that. In place of inverted commas, that. After that, the letters is given. Okay? This letters either may be "we should" or "they should." If you want to put "might", you can in place of "should". In place of "should", you can also put "might". Here is also the same thing. Okay? But the problem is that when we convert letters into "we should" and when in "they should". Let's see. If to change these letters to find out the answer whether the letters would be changed into "we should" or "they should", we have to go to the reporting speech. Means the partition before inverted commas. Here is subject and here is object. If the subject and object, here we write if the subject and the object of reporting speech here the subject and the object of reporting speech is यहां पर हम लिखते हैं anyone. The subject and the object, anyone of reporting speech is the pronoun of first person. Then let us would be changed into we should. Otherwise, they should. Alright. See here. If the subject and the object and the object of reporting speech is the first person, is the pronoun of first person. अगर रिपोर्टिंग स्पीच में दिया हुआ सब्जेक्ट या ऑब्जेक्ट कोई भी एक फर्स्ट पर्सन का प्रोनाउन है तो आप लेटस को देन लेटस वुड बी चेंज इनटू वी शुड. तो लेटस को आप वी शुड में चेंज कर देंगे और अगर ऐसा नहीं है तो आप उसको दे शुड में चेंज करेंगे. क्लियर? एंड आफ्टर दैट हैविंग नेसेसरी रूल्स, अप्लाइंग नेसेसरी रूल्स, वी चेंज द सेंटेंस इनटू इनडायरेक्ट. ओके, सी एग्जांपल. एग्जाम्पल में आपको कहा गया माई फ्रेंड सेड टू मी, माई फ्रेंड सेड टू मी comma inverted commas begins, let us study English jointly. My friend said to me, let us study English jointly. My friend suggested या proposed me. सेड और सेड टू को सजेस्ट या प्रपोज में चेंज कर दिया. मी इन्वर्टेड कॉमास will take that and after that you are given letters. Okay, to change the letters we have to go reporting speech and notice at the subject and the object of reporting speech. This subject is my friend, we can consider it he, and here is me, and me is the pronoun of first person. Me is the pronoun of first person. Then here is written if the subject and the object anyone. So my friend and me, anyone is first person, so we change letters into we should. We should study English Zoe. This is the first type of the sentence of an imperative sentence that starts with let us. Okay? Now, the second example is the second type, second rule. You are given the other pronoun instead of us. Suppose you are given him, her, them, such type. Okay? Sent or set to, suggested, proposed, commanded, requested, in place of inverted commas, you have to put now to. Okay? And then having, let, और उसके बाद let को रखते हुए and changing the pronoun, changing the pronoun accordingly. We convert the sentence into indirect form of speech. Okay? Look at the example. In sentence, you are given the patient said to the doctor, comma, inverted commas begins, let me take some water first. The patient said to the doctor, पेशेंट ने डॉक्टर से कहा, लेट मी टेक सम वाटर फर्स्ट, मुझे पहले पानी पीने दो। तो पेशेंट डॉक्टर से क्या करेगा? रिक्वेस्ट करेगा। द पेशेंट रिक्वेस्टेड द डॉक्टर in place of inverted commas to, in place of inverted commas to, and then having let savers Me first person is changed according to the subject of reporting speech, that is patient, and we can consider the patient he, and the objective case of he is him. Take some water first. Okay, so this was the type, this was the role of second in the sentence that starts with let. Are you getting me? आपको समझ आ रहा है? If you have any problem, any difficulty, then call to me. Okay? Now the last and third rule. If the sentence starts with let and after let you are given there, then what would you do? Look here, if you are given the word there, now you are given there. The sentence starts with let there. Said or said to would be changed into ordered, advised, suggested, commanded, requested, in place of inverted commas you put that, and then. Let there would be changed into their should. Okay? Said or said to would be changed into ordered, advised, suggested, commanded, requested as the sense of given sentence, and in place of inverted commas that, and then let there would be changed into there should. Let there को हम there should में change कर देते हैं. Example आप देखेंगे. The teacher said to the students, comma, inverted commas begins, let there be no noise in the room. Full stop, inverted commas. The teacher said to the students, टीचर ने स्टूडेंट से कहा, लेट देयर बी नो नॉइज इन द रूम, कमरे में शोर ना हो. द टीचर ordered the students, okay, in place of inverted commas that, let there should be changed into there should. there should be no noise in the room. This was the last rule of imperative sentence. Now you have finished the third type of sentence, that is imperative, and you learned how to be changed an imperative sentence into indirect speech. Okay? Tomorrow I would send an exercise to you related to the sentence assertive, interrogative and imperative. Perhaps it seems that some of the students are watching the video, all the students are not. ऐसा लगता है, ऐसा दिखाई दे रहा है कि सभी स्टूडेंट्स वीडियो नहीं देख रहे हैं, बहुत कम स्टूडेंट्स हैं जो वीडियो को देख रहे हैं. एंड इन द वीडियो द टॉपिक दैट इज बीइंग टॉट टू यू, वीडियो में जो भी टॉपिक आपको पढ़ाया जा रहा है वो टॉपिक आपको अपनी नोटबुक पर भी राइट डाउन करना होगा. When the school will be reopened, then all the topics would be checked in classroom. जैसे ही स्कूल रीओपन होंगे तो ये टॉपिक आपके नोटबुक में क्लास में चेक किए जाएंगे. तो टुमारो जो आपको एक्सरसाइज सेंड की जाएगी वो एक्सरसाइज बच्चों असर्टिव, इंट्रोगेटिव और इंपेरेटिव से रिलेटेड होगी. आप सभी को वेरी ऑनेस्टली वो एक्सरसाइज करनी है और पहले आप उसे रफ कॉपी में करेंगे. उसके बाद आप उसका सॉल्यूशन आपको दिया जाएगा, सॉल्यूशन भी आपको ग्रुप में सेंड किया जाएगा और उसके बाद आप उसको फेयर कॉपी में करेंगे ताकि फेयर कॉपी में कोई एरर, कोई मिस्टेक ना हो. इसीलिए पहले रफ कॉपी में करा रहे हैं और आप लोगों को ऑनेस्टली करनी है, किसी से कोई हेल्प नहीं लेनी है. अगर गलती होती है तो कीजिए, नो प्रॉब्लम, लेकिन जो भी करना है वो खुद से करना है. ओके, नाउ द टाइम इज ओवर. सो ऑन मंडे I will teach you the fourth sentence, that is exclamatory. On Monday we will learn how to we change an exclamatory sentence into indirect speech. Okay, so bye and be safe, be careful. Okay, see you, bye.